catch quiz. So first I'm deleting a cat sprite to take a new sprite. So I am taking the robot sprite. You can take any other sprite. Now let's start with the code. First we'll go to variables and make 4 variables. So our first variable will be a cloud variable. So it will be user name. The other 3 variables, if you want, you can keep them a cloud variable, but I am keeping them as a normal variable. You can keep them as a cloud variable also. So it will be computer score, math score, and science score. So I would suggest you to keep all either in cloud or either without cloud. So science score. So now let's start with the code. Our code will be so let's start with the code. Now 4 times we will take the height variable. So I'm taking it 2 times, then I'm duplicating it. So our first height variable will be computer score, our second height variable will be math score, third will be science score, and fourth will be username. Then we'll go to the extension and take a extension that will be text to speech. Now the text to speech, you can set the voice to whatever you want. I am setting my voice to tenor. Then we'll tell it to speak. Hello, I am Quizard. Welcome to talk with me. Then on next block we'll go to the sensing and ask, instead of what is your name, we'll ask, do you like science? Now we will add a if then block, which is in the control option. If then, so then we again go to this operators, that whatever is equals to 50, and we'll go to here and put the answer. Instead of 50, we'll put it to yes. So if answer is equals to yes, then we will go to the variables and we'll put show variable science score set science score to 0. So now after that we'll put our question. So our question will be, so first we again go to the sensing, and here we put our question. So our question will be, you can keep whatever your question you want. Now as I have made it a science quiz, so I'll keep my question, what is a clinical thermometer filled with? Now we'll again attach a if then statement. So if, then we'll just duplicate this, and instead of yes, as we'll put it to mercury. Then we will attach another question that will be here, that you can keep anything, but now let's first test the quiz till here. So let's start. It asked, do you like science? So I said yes. What is a clinical thermometer filled with? If I put the wrong answer, let's see what happens. We have not given it a code. For that, if we have a wrong answer, for that we will remove this, and instead of that we will take if then else, then we'll put the yes statement, then we'll put this here. Now we will take, instead of what is your name, we will take another question. I am taking oil, natural gas, and coal are examples of, and we'll again take a if then statement, operate, we'll just duplicate this, and instead of mercury we'll keep it to fossil fuels. Then we will, so now we will put, and we are going to go to the text to speech and speak. You are intelligent So you can add more questions also, but I am making a video, so I'm not putting so many. So then we'll add another speak, that will be thanks for playing. Now in the else statement we again go and again take a if else statement. So then we'll tell it to ask a question. Else then we'll take a if else statement as I told you. So we'll tell it to ask a question. The question will be, do you like technology? Then we'll take the if else statement. So we'll take duplicate. If answer is equals to yes, then we go to the variable and put show variable computer score set to 0. Now in the upper code we'll just put change computer score by 1 and change computer score by 1. So now here we will put some questions about computer science. So my first question is that, so we'll go to sensing. Instead of what is your name, what is the name of first computer virus? Now we'll add a if then statement. So it will be if answer is equals to creeper virus, then we'll ask one more question. So first we'll go to the variables, change score by 1. So change score by 1, then we'll put another question that will be what is firewall used in a computer? Then we'll again take a then statement. So here it will be security. Then we again go to the variables, change score by 1, and we'll just copy this. You are intelligent. Thanks for playing. And then in the last one, we again go to variables, show variable maths score, set math score to 0. Then we'll add some questions. So our first question will be, suppose you can take anything. So I am taking 3.1 plus 1.8 plus 4.9. So then we again take a if then statement, and then we again copy this. If answer is equals to 9.8, then it will ask the next question. So the next question will be 56 into 56. So then we'll again put a if then statement. We duplicate this, and if answer is equals to 3136, then we'll just duplicate this and put it here. Now we'll add some looks to this. So we'll go to the looks and set, instead of color effect, we'll put it to pixelate effect to 40 or 30. Now we'll take a backdrop. So I am taking backdrop as room 1. So now on the backdrop also I'll put when flag clicked, looks, set pixelate effect to 30. So now let's try this game. So it asked me, do you like Scratch? Do you like science? So I put my answer as yes. It asked me my question that what is a clinical thermometer filled with? So I put my answer as mercury. Now I put it as fossil fuels. So now our game is ready. So if you want to make it more better, so you can go to the backdrops and paint a backdrop in text that I am taking mine as pixel. So mine will be game over. So I will just change the size and make it larger. So here will be another switch backdrop to backdrop room. Now we'll tell it in events broadcast message whenever the code finishes. So broadcast over. So we'll duplicate this and go down and put it. So we just have a small code. So now here we'll put this. When I receive over, then we go to the looks and put hide, and in the backdrops, in the events, when I receive over, we'll just duplicate this, and in the room 1 we put it to backdrop 2. So our game is ready. If you want to see it, the link is in the description. Bye.